He shouldn't have shown that final document. The air in the courtroom felt heavy that day. This case had dragged on for 3 weeks. The journalists were exhausted. The jury had fallen silent. Everyone was waiting for just one thing: the verdict. The defendant was Michael Reeves, 38 years old. The charges: large-scale financial fraud, forged signatures, causing the collapse of 3 companies. If found guilty, 20 years in prison. Michael said nothing. From the beginning, he remained calm and composed. Only once did he quietly tell his attorney, "No matter what, they're putting the wrong man on trial." The prosecutor delivered his closing statement. "There is no doubt in this case. There are money transfers. There are signatures. There are witnesses." He reached under his table and pulled out a folder. "And this is the final piece of evidence." The courtroom fell silent. The judge looked at the folder. "Show it." The prosecutor displayed a document on the screen. It was a contract. At the bottom, Michael's signature. A whisper rippled through the courtroom. The jurors glanced at one another. At that moment, the defense attorney slowly stood up. "Your Honor." "One moment." The judge nodded. The attorney gestured toward the screen. "Is this document truly the original?" The prosecutor smiled. "Of course." The attorney opened another file. "Then please, look at this." On the screen, the same document. But the date, 3 days later, and the signature shifted by a single millimeter. The courtroom erupted. "That's impossible," the prosecutor said. The attorney spoke calmly. "This document was altered 3 times before reaching the court. And those changes were made from a computer inside the prosecutor's office." The judge stood up. "Is this true?" The prosecutor said nothing. Then a voice came from the back of the courtroom. "Because this case was supposed to be buried." Everyone turned. It was a former employee of the prosecutor's office. He said, "The real culprit is not sitting here. We altered that document ourselves." The courtroom froze. The trial was suspended. An investigation was launched. It was later revealed that the case had been deliberately manipulated. Michael had been chosen as a scapegoat. The true architects were elsewhere. The verdict was issued. Michael Reeves acquitted. The case was reopened. As Michael walked out of the courtroom, he looked back once and said, "Sometimes the truth is not killed or saved by evidence, but by a single document,